Can't do my figures.
Section 1 here, clubs. I've got a couple of clubs that are willing to take you to the floor. Want them? I'll go get them on my car.
I don't care.
You want me to go get them?
Sure.
Okay, I'll do it.
No, it's okay. It's okay. No stress.
Well, you have another hour.
I'm gonna get hot chocolate before the show. I'm gonna go into Dunkin'. Check here, 1 2 1 2. You better watch out. You better not cry. You better not pout. I'm telling you why. Santa Claus is coming to town. Santa Claus is coming to town. I'm really, really dry in here. Is this the same?